All set now, ready to race. Race number 3. The favorite, Good Humor, Lucky Lorky. Emergency Call. Yay, Ascade, Capricciosa. Anytime now, race number 3. Starter still away from the bottom. And the race is on. From the outside is entry number 3. Rather moving up, Sugar Daddy. On the outside, Good Humor, Super Elegant, Lucky Lorky. Sugar Daddy, Super Elegant, Good Humor, Capricciosa, Lucky Lorky, Fearless, Yay, Ascade para sa aming emergency calls running at the tail of the field. Super Elegant, Good Humor takes the lead, followed by Super Elegant, Yay, Ascade racing on the outside second. Good Humor by Hapalan, Yay, Ascade on the outside. Super Elegant running in third. And moving up in fourth by Doralis, Capricciosa, Sugar Daddy, Lucky Lorky. As they race the final corner, Yay, Ascade by Hapalan. Good Humor down on the inside, fighting back. It's Yay, Ascade, Good Humor running by Darrell. Yay, Ascade, Good Humor down on the inside, fighting back. Yay, Ascade, Good Humor is running by Darrell. Moves up, and finally, Good Humor. Yay, Ascade, Lucky Lorky, Super Elegant, Capricciosa, Pentafecta.